Welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to show you the all-new Wolverine Egg Attack by Beast Kingdom. This here is the latest model, the EAA-066 model, featuring the classic Wolverine with multiple faces and variation of pieces. Now, if you wanted your very own, be sure to check out Beast Kingdom, link down below in the description. Now, I'm super pumped up to show our guest today. It's actually the one and only Wolverine. All right, you excited? As am I. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started and unbox this thing. All right, so we're all set and ready to go. We got Wolverine here unboxing with us, and this here is the box. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what's on the inside. Now, the box itself looks quite nice. You do see Wolverine on the front here in all of its presence. You see him posing with the dramatic claw. And then as we kind of rotate it around, you'll notice that it does show a little bit more in terms of details on the back here. Kind of shows the different faces. So you can go ahead and even swap out the mouthpiece as well as the head. And even has a little like a hoodie attachment that goes on the back of its head. So it does showcase it quite well. Now, this includes 28 points of articulation, giving it a nice amount of movement. So let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, so this here's everything that it comes with. So you get our Wolverine character just right here. Now you'll notice that there's a few different materials. For instance, the headpiece is made out of like a plastic feel. Then you have this mask, which almost has this like leather-like appearance. And then the material on the clothing is actually real cloth. And it's actually like a stretchy material, and even like this part over here is actually a separate, complete material, which is kind of neat. Then like the arms, the shoulder blades, these are all different kind of unique materials from plastic to almost like a rubber kind of filament. So it's actually kind of neat. Now, in terms of the model itself, you can see that it's made out of a very nice high detail piece in which you can go ahead and swap out among the different pieces. Now, you can always go ahead and pose it based on like this one right here. Just kind of like give it like a little fist and kind of like a little punch, just like that. But you can always go ahead and like swap it out for different things. Now, the hands will pop off just like this, very simple. Then you have these different claws here, so you can go ahead and put a claw on. Simply just taking this and it'll just go ahead and fit over that circle and just kind of pop it into place just like that, and voila, he has his claw, which is kind of cool. You can do the same thing for the other one, or you can go ahead and swap it out with like a hand. So let's go ahead and use a hand piece just like this. So this here's like an open-handed, so you can go ahead and like place his arm on his waist or whatever and kind of go based off of that. And then from there, you can even go ahead and swap out the face. So the way the face works is kind of interesting. So for instance, the mask version of it, you have this like almost like a serious face, and then you have like the yelling face. So you just take this off just like that, and then you take the yelling one and it'll go ahead and clip into place just like that. And there you have it. So now he's like, rah! So that is pretty cool. Now you also have other kind of heads too. So you go ahead and just pop this off just by simply yanking on it. It's actually kind of tough. Just there you go. It just required a lot of effort. So right now our Wolverine is headless, but have no fear, we have another head waiting. Now we also have this part here, this like a mask where like for instance, the mask goes back. You can go ahead and put it on him just like this, so it goes on his back. And then you're supposed to put this head on it on top of that. So key thing about the head before you put it on is that you can go ahead and move the eyes by simply, if you look behind the face, you'll see some like little notches on the white eyes. You can go, let's take the head hair off and take that off, and then you can see a better feel of it right there. So you can see that there's like little white notches right here that you can go ahead and maneuver about. This will allow you to go ahead and rotate the eyes based on whatever direction you want. So that is cool, right? So you can go ahead and like move it to this way and then this way, and now he'll kind of be like staring off to the side. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, so we can go ahead and put this back together and we have ourselves a bald Wolverine. So let's go ahead and place this on here. Now the way it works is simply just go ahead and put it back on the same way you took it off. Very difficult. So we got that on there, and then we'll go ahead and put our new face on just like that. There we are, and we'll put our hair on, and voila! Cool! Check that out. So we have ourselves Wolverine without his mask. And you can go ahead and position it on this frame just like this, or this. So you can go ahead and position it onto this base right here, by using that as a waist clamp, and then you can go ahead and make our own attack moves or attack kind of positions just like that. Kind of gives you an idea what that's about, so you can go ahead and make all these different kind of formulations and to get some cool looking photos and stuff of that nature. Now with that being said, let's go ahead and gear up for a quick little photo shoot and see what this thing looks like in action pose. You have it. This here is Wolverine by Beast Kingdom, aka the Egg Attack series. And a big special thanks to Wolverine over here for coming out and unboxing Wolverine with Wolverine. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you didn't, hit that thumbs down button twice, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.